Hey y'all, and welcome back to my crafting diary. Today we took a little trip to the Dollar Tree. I needed to get some more stuff and didn't use any of it, but the white cardboard that I got. That's the only thing that I used. But they do got some cool stuff. They got some vinyl. I didn't know that they had that. And they also have like transfer tape too. So I'm gonna try that. And then down this aisle, they have some cute little stickers. I didn't find anything that I liked. I was looking for like more Princess and Frog theme, but I didn't find anything. So I just. Oh, I also seen these polymailers too. I don't need them, but I've just seen them. There's smaller ones, and then they got the bigger ones as well. Now this is something that I can use. It is packaging paper, 20 sheets. Exacto knives. They have that, but I already have one of those. They also have like some decorative paper, which was cut up. I can do that myself. I was gonna get that, but it's not the colors. I was looking for like the princess tiaras, just like the silver ones, but I didn't find those. So, but I thought these were really pretty. They look like the mermaid look. I thought that was really pretty. So yeah, that's my trip to the Dollar Tree. Once I get home, I basically will show you guys what I'll be making. That's what's in my cart. I wanted to get all those wooden stands for my centerpieces, and I changed those up too, so you guys can get a chance to see that. Alright, so now that I'm home, I am cutting out my backing for my image on a 12 by 24 Cricut mat. Like I said, I am changing up the centerpieces. So this is a before of what one of them looked like, and that's how I finished them.